Hello, meine Freunde. Hello, my friends. We're back. Had a little bit of a hiccup last time, what with accidentally dying, but this time I went back and played through the bits that we've already done, so you don't have to watch that over again. And we'll see if we can do German and not totally suck at video games at the same time. See if it happens. And so we were here finding our way to the Mushroom Kingdom, and because the Mushroom Way is just filled with monsters, says Toad. Okay, got a little bit of Geld from that one, got one. And time to save Toad. So, we're using Attacker on the Goomba. And getting him. Okay, and let's see what Toad has to say. Puh, mein Leben zog für eine Sekunde an meinen Augen vorbei. Puh, my life, for a second, my life passed before my eyes. Hier ist ein kleines Dankeschön. So here's a small thank you. And so danke is the word for thank you, and schön means beautiful or pretty. And so in English we say pretty please. In German they'll frequently say essentially pretty thank you, Dankeschön. Honigsirup, so honey syrup, erhalten or received. Okay. So in this game, items like mushrooms, the Pilze, give us our hit points back, and then the Honigsirupe, they give us our flower points back. And flower points work as magic. Still no flower points, so we'll just attack. And trying to use the right timing so I can have a good defense or Abwehr. And then we're also trying to use good timing on the attacks. That's the kind of one of the gimmicks with this game. And I thought there was something here. A flower or a Blume. Killed him with one hit or with one Schlag. Okay, something here? Nope, just a Goomba. But oh, someone's got Toad again. Got himself caught by another monster. So it's time to save Toad again. Wir müssen ihn retten. Got to save him. Und das haben wir schon gemacht. We already did that. Junge, war das knapp. So Junge means boy, and then war das knapp? Boy, was that close. Hier, als Zeichen meiner Dankbarkeit. Here, as a sign of my gratitude. Let's just take a moment and look at that last word, Dankbarkeit. So the first part is Dank, and that sounds an awful lot like Danke, like in Dankeschön. And it means the same thing here. It means thanks. Then though, they take that and they build up this whole word. So bar. Bar is an adjective ending. So if you said dankbar, it takes thank from being a noun, a thing, and it makes it into an adjective. And it means something like grateful, thankful. Bar is actually related to the English word bear, meaning carry. So it's kind of like thanks bearing, thanks carrying. Then we take another ending, kite, and we throw that on the end. And that's an abstract noun ending. And so it takes something that might be concrete or might be an adjective and turns it into this abstract noun. So gratefulness. Okay, Toad got bored of our explanation and left. But he gave us something before he went, a Blumen an. So Blumen and then ANH. So that an is short for Anhang, as far as I could tell when I looked it up. And an Anhang is like an appendix, which doesn't exactly make sense, like a flower appendix. But then in English it's flower tab, which honestly doesn't make that much sense either. So I guess it's fine. It's hard to figure out how to translate things that don't necessarily have a ton of meaning anyway. All right, fighting these spikies. Just gonna use Attacke. Didn't quite kill him, but this one should take him down. Okay, very cool. Now what? Now what? Nun denn oh. Hey, schaust du mich an? Mein Hammer und ich mögen dich nicht. Hey, are you looking at me? My hammer and I don't like you. So we've got that du there that we saw before, that you. And then we also got ich in the second line. Ich means I. So that's another pronoun that we've run into. Those are important. Du und ich, you and I. Vorsicht, Mario, ist gefährlich. Careful, Mario, he's dangerous. So we have here another pronoun, means he. Now we've seen du, we've seen ich, we've seen we've seen wir, which is we. All important little words to keep in mind. Try and get them to sink into the brain, because they really do end up being important. Some of those little words are the most commonly used ones in any language. There will be other pronouns that we'll run into as we go, and we'll try and keep our eyes out for them. For example, there's sie and es, meaning she and it, respectively. There's also ihr, which is you plural, like y'all, and sie, which is they. Alright, jetzt ist mein Hammer sauer, das hättest du nicht tun sollen. Now, my hammer's angry. The word there's sauer actually is like the same as English sour. And if you're in a sour mood, then you're grumpy. And das hättest du nicht tun sollen? You shouldn't have done that. And surprise, there's two of them. Oh, nice. Valor up. That was not translated. Okay, we're gonna jump on this Hammerbruder, and Bruder means brother. Oh, can't use Sprung anymore, so we're just gonna use our regular attack. Hammerzeit. Hammer time. But we're not gonna stop. Nice. No damage at all. That was 0 or null. Null is the German word for 0. Nice. Okay, so we got 6 experience points and 20 gold and a Blumenstoss. Blume there again being flower. Danke, thank you. Ich bin so schnell gerannt. I was running so fast, dass ich nicht darauf geachtet habe, wohin ich laufe. Das is with 2 S's means that. So I was running so fast that I didn't pay attention where I was running. Wir sind fast in Schwammelreich, Mario. Fast means almost, so we are almost in the Mushroom Kingdom, Mario. Hey, woher kommt dieser Hammer? Hey, where did this hammer come from? Hey, weißt du, was das ist? Hey, do you know what that is? Das sind die Initialen der Hammerbrüder. That is the initials of the Hammer Brothers. Niemand hat eine Chance, wenn du ihn damit schlägst. No one has a chance when you hit him with it. Man weiß nie, könnte praktisch sein. You never know. It could be practical. Hammer gefunden. Found a hammer. Beeil dich. So hurry. Hurry yourself. Ich treffe dich dann im Schwammelreich. I'll meet you in the Mushroom Kingdom then. Okay, and we will go and meet him in the Mushroom Kingdom very soon. And that's for next video. If you liked this, go ahead and let me know in the comments. If there's something you think I could improve, also let me know. And I'd love to know what German questions you have. Auf Wiedersehen und vielen Dank. Goodbye and thank you very much. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, liken, kommentieren und abonnieren bitte. Danke und tschüss.